Desi Panjiri for new moms. Remedy for back pain, joints pain, migraine, immunity booster. You can take it 1 TBSP in morning or night in 1 cup of warm milk. Let's make first, dry roast. Full makhani lotus seeds 1 cup. One cup almonds. 1 cup walnuts. 1/2 cup pistachio. Dry roast them on low flame. At this point, there will be a strong aroma. 1 cup shani. 1/2 cup till. 1/2 cup for mags. 1/2 cup dry dates. Roast them all together. Let it cool. Mix both batches. Now put them in mixture. At this point, add ajwain 1 tsp, 0.1 tsp, 30 for kali mirch, 1 tbsp dried ginger soon, 3 cardamom. Add mishri to tbsp. Now mix it well, but don't make it fine powder. It's done. Look, it has little chunks, which will make this taste much better. You can store in a tight jar container. Now let's drink in warm milk. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.